Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we're doing rear delt flies supported on an incline bench with our thumbs facing and just the regular variation. So when we do these, we're going to be on our incline bench, just supporting our upper body. We're going to just hang out, let the dumbbells hang down, and then we are just going to, well, we're going to start. The regular variation is when your palms are facing each other, and we're just going to bring the dumbbells back behind us. Slight bend in the elbows, and keep the shoulder blades back and down so we're not up here with our shoulders touching our earlobes. And then for the thumb facing variation, our thumbs are going to be facing each other. And just squeeze those shoulder blades behind our back as we do each repetition. So for more upper back strengthening exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.